Ang daming gift ni Oli. Grabe. Maraming salamat sa mga nagpunta. Okay.
Pati ate mo na-excited.
Wow. Oli, that's you. Okay, next. Nagkagulo kami doon. Oh, so sa kayo naman pupunta? Mag-school na talaga siya.
Yes,
It's from Daddy. Wow, let's open it. My budget. You're all I can think of. You're my soda pop, my soda pop.
Yay! Excited! Come on!
Yay!
Wow! So many gifts! Wow! What? Ang galing ah!
Say yeah!
Picture, Oli.
Oli,
Ay.
this.
Go there, then.
Oli, picture. Smile. Oh, more. Oli, more. One more. Last, and then we will open. Okay?
Oli.
Just smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Look here. Look at mommy. Wow, so many gifts, Oli. Can you say thank you? Say thank you po.
Say,
Okay, ayan guys, mag-open ako. Ang daming gift ni Oli, grabe. Maraming salamat sa mga nagpunta. And dun sa mga malalayo pa. Namaos ako talaga. Promise, nagulat na lang din ako, namaos ako. Thank you so much. Sa mga nag-effort na pumunta, thank you so much. Sobrang appreciate namin kayong lahat. And ni Oli, kahit na nagwawala lang siya dun, natulog lang, tapos ayaw nang maingay. Nag-enjoy siya dun sa parrot na. Nung nahawakan na niya yung parrot. So, ayun, open natin to isa-isa.
She wants to open this one first.
This one first? Okay. Okay, let's open from Happy Birthday, Oli, from Tito Arvin and Zanti, Kuya Zanti. Come on, let's open.
Okay, open. What is it?
Let me open.
Okay, you open. Gusto niya siya. Siyempre, birthday niya. Wow. Okay, let's open na para mabilis.
Wait, let's open it. It's a yellow. Wow, it's Play-Doh.
Wow. Play-Doh. Thank you po. Yeah, later.
Which one?
Let's open
What
it.
do you want to open next?
Ano pa? Open.
This one.
Look
You want
behind.
this one?
Okay. From Ate Bunchoy. Wow. Oh, yun. Look.
Let's get it. Get it, hurry.
Oh! Sino yan?
Si Zoe.
Sino yan? Si Zoe. It's Oli. Si Zoe. Look. Wow,
You want to open it?
cute.
You love it so much? Yeah.
You like it? Say thank you, Ate Bunchoy.
Do you want to open this?
Here,
Wow, you love it?
Okay, next.
Which one would you like to
Look
open?
behind.
You want the pink? Yeah.
This one muna, this one.
Okay.
Okay. From Ate Carrie and Ate Raven.
Say wow.
Wow, what's that?
What's this?
Wow, babe!
Say wow.
Sana gamitin mo. Tinatanggal niya yung bib niya. So pretty. Big bib. And baby. Bottle. Say, I'm not a baby anymore. Say, I'm not a baby anymore.
Oli, which
You
one?
can put water here, Oli. Okay, next.
Do you like your bib?
Which one would you like, Oli? This.
It's a big one.
From Bonzo and Butchoy. Bonzo and Butchoy.
Wow!
Wow! What's that?
It's a frozen, Oli.
You like frozen?
Wow! Hello.
Wow.
Wow!
Wait, what's that?
Say thank you po. Thank you po.
What do you want to open next?
You want to open
Next,
this one?
from Ate Casey. Okay, let's open
Open,
it.
Let's open it.
Oh! What's this?
What's that? Wow, it's a kitchen toy.
Wow!
Wow!
Afternoon joy.
Wow, would you like to eat it? Wow, it's cookies.
Wow! Look! Say thank you po.
I tried to do it.
You want this
Wow,
one?
so many
Ate Riley.
Ate
Huh?
Riley. Yes. Do you remember Ate Riley?
Wait, that's
Your favorite person?
It's shoes.
Wow.
Shoes.
Wow. You wanna open?
Shoes.
Ay,
Wow! Sa H&M. Oh, so pretty, Oli. Look. We can go to Korea now. Or Japan, right?
Yeah.
You wanna go to Korea? Okay. Say thank you, Ate Riley. Okay.
Oh,
Next.
you want this one? Yeah. Plate? Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. Here's the dining.
Uy, may ano, wait lang. Happy 3rd birthday, inaanak. I pray you continue to shine and fill the world with your laughter and energy. Enjoy your special day. From Ninang Pring, Ninong Peng, Kuya Baste, and Ate Cara. Open. Open it. What's that?
It looks
I
like...
think it's a plate. It's a big plate.
Ano ito?
What's that?
What is this?
Ito.
Ano ito?
Agi.
Ano to?
Ano ito?
Aging yung ginaganon.
Ah!
Ano yun?
Ayun,
Say,
aging.
wow.
Ano?
Para mapunta sa
Sa...
gitna.
Tapos, tatapakan? Kasi may ganito eh.
Hindi ko sure.
Yeah. Let's see. Paano to? How this works?
I think you have to...
How?
Uy!
Oh, mahirap siya! Ganun ba? Ganun ba siya laruin?
Parang nasa nakapatong dito.
Kailangan sa flat, ano? Okay. Later we will play that, okay? Next
What
naman.
do you want to choose?
This one? The big?
Okay, let's read. Olivia, happy birthday from Audrey, Ninong Eric, and Ninang Jose. Wow!
Open it. Alright. Ay! Ay! It's a baby!
There's baby alive.
It's so cute, Oli.
Wait, that's cute.
It's a crybabies. Look,
Ay, kala ko baby alive.
crybaby.
You love it so much?
Pati ate mo na-excite.
Kaya nga parang yung ate mo natutuwa masyado. Magka-cry yan, no? Tapos you will put the pacifier.
Oy, how about this one? It's so big. You want to get the big one?
Wow!
Big one.
Gabby and Jillian. Let's open.
Oh, what? Ano yan? A bag inside a bag with a bag inside a bag.
Wow!
Ang cute.
Your favorite. It's my favorite.
Naging favorite mo bigla.
Oh, may eye mask na si Ate Louie. It's an elephant. Look. Wow!
You love it so much?
You like it? Okay, next.
I don't want.
How about the other one? Okay, open naman. Mamadali yung my birthday. It is Magsaling Family. Open, open.
Here you go.
Say thank you. Wow! It's another kitchen toy.
So,
What
tiny
if
kitchen.
I play with it instead?
Tama ate mo. Kanya daw. Masama mo yung may mga paper bag. Yeah.
Say wow.
Wow!
Say thank you po. Thank you po.
Say I really appreciate it.
Ang hirap naman.
Wow! You like it?
This one is for gift, Daddy.
My oven.
Wait, whose is this?
Okay, let's play it later.
Whose is this?
Mamaya na yan. At ito muna yung maliliit.
Okay.
This is from Tito Alan, Tita Kat family.
Wow.
Wow!
It's loud.
Look! Wow! So many clothes. Let's see. Wow! So pretty!
Oh, wow!
Wow! Look!
Oy, wow!
Wow!
the cake.
Ay, from Ate Ayan.
Mahilig talaga kayong mga generation niyo sa
Oo,
ganyan.
ganyan oo.
Oo.
Wow!
Si Ai
Thank
tsaka si
you
Louie
po.
ganyan din.
Sino yan?
How about this one?
Okay, yan.
Oli, yun.
Walang name? Oh, walang name. Ito nasa loob. Okay, let's read. From Kelsey Zoe. Wow! Let's open it. Look, look, Oli, look.
Three, two, one.
Wow! Nice shoes!
Wala
Oh,
sila.
look. Oh.
Wala.
She
Does
only
it
likes the
fit?
paper.
Hopefully.
Oh, wow, kasha. Kunti pa.
She only
Mga
likes
ilang
the-
buwan pa.
Aliw na, aliw
Si
na
Ate
talaga.
Ayan naman. From Tita Michelle, Ate Mia, and Mira.
Mira.
Wow! More clothes. There's and more.
Wow! May
Bluey!
art din. May art din si Mira. Ang cute. Ang hilig nila sa mga ganito. Si Bluey, Oli, oh.
Ay,
Wow! Say thank you, Ate
Card
Mira.
Ano yan?
Wow! Happy birthday, Olivia. We wish you a happy birthday, Ate Mia.
Wait,
Okay,
I think they accidentally
Wala,
glued
wala.
it.
Nag-glue lang yan. So pretty! Say thank you po.
Naaliw din sila ay dun sa mga ginagawang card eh.
Now this one.
Thea and Crader.
I wanna open it too.
Open daw siya. Ate, open daw siya.
Trying to make a hole.
Ayan.
Oh, si Oli daw. Sabi niya si Oli. Birthday ko to eh. Si Mommy and Oli lang mag Okay, you open it.
What is it?
Wow!
Oh.
Holy packet, Oli!
Wow, you love it?
Wow!
Wow.
Holy packet. Say thank you po.
Wow.
Look.
Wow.
Wow. You like it?
Yeah.
Mommy likes it too. I like Polly Pockets from Kuya Noah. Let's open it. You want to open? Or you open? You can do it. Wow! It's a pantulog.
I should wear that tonight.
Wow! So pretty.
That's really good.
And pajama. Ay, shorts. Yung nanay mo, wala na. Boses. Okay, next.
From Lola Lina.
Wow, let's open it.
How do you open it? Here. Ali.
Wow!
It's a Barbie Dreamer.
So cute. Look. Say hi, guys.
You want this one? Yeah.
Clothes again. From Lola Medi or from
Ang dami
Lola. Let's open it.
Wow. Good job,
Get
Oli.
that.
Honey, get the clothes. Get the clothes.
Get.
Wow. Ay, hala.
Wow! It is a
Clouds.
blouse. Say thank you. Kasama to? Wow! Say thank you po. Say thank you po.
From Ninong Dong, Tita Kata, Kuya Jed, and Diona.
Wow! Okay, let's open it.
Ali, here. Open.
What is it? A bus?
It's
Wow.
Miss Rachel.
It's Miss Rachel.
Oh, Miss Wing.
Do you like Miss Rachel?
Miss Rachel. Are you happy? Okay, from Tita J, Tita Grace, Sofia, and Liam Evangelista. Let's open it. Oli, look.
Open.
Can you open?
Louie, put it here.
Mommy and Oli. Okay.
Here. Ali, here.
Wow! You have laptop na.
Yay!
That's every gadget.
Yeah.
Except for VR na lang. Tapos ano?
Wow!
Wow.
Say A.
So nice, Oli. Look, Oli, oh, look. Are you excited?
Who's that?
Show mo sa kanila, show them. Look, guys. Say, look, guys, I have laptop.
6'7".
Ayun. Gusto daw niya.
She wants to play with it.
Okay, next is
I think that's her favorite gift.
Ninang Kikay.
o Ninang Kikay and Kuya Tio. Wow! Adidas. May budget. So cute. Oh, look, Oli, oh. Wow! T-shirt. Look, Oli. Say thank you, Ninang Kikay. Boses.
This one.
Oh, wala.
Look.
Lola.
Eats.
Oh, another Lola. Lola Ilo.
Time to open it.
Wow.
Oh, look. Oli, look. Wala na. Easy na. Oh, later. It's what? Just get this one.
It's close.
It's let's open it. Wow! I love it.
It's a pink cardigan.
Oh, so pretty. Say thank you, Lola.
From Alan.
Evangelista and family. Come on, let's open it.
It's Gabby Dollhouse.
Wow. So can you say wow?
Wow! It's Gabby.
Gabby house.
Gabby house. Wow!
No, give me.
Say thank you po.
You love it so much?
You like
Now
it?
this one. Ay, walang name.
From Beat Delight. Yung Beat Delights, guys, sila yung yung sa, dito yung mga DIY na souvenir sa pang-adult. Yan, sila yun. Maraming salamat. Yan. Pabook kayo kapag may mga party kayo. Ang gaganda ng mga charms nila doon. Beat Delights. Ay, Beat Delighted. Delights ako ng delight. Delighted pala. Come on, let's open it! Search nyo lang sa Facebook, Instagram, Beat Delighted.
Wow!
Wow!
Oy!
Thank you for allowing us to be part of Ollie's birthday celebration. I'm an avid viewer po. Way back before Ref Tour organization. Thank you, Celine. Your family is one of my happy team. Please keep on doing videos. Maraming salamat.
Oy, Naimira!
Ang daming ballpen!
Can I pick one of them?
Ayan o, ganyan yung mga
I want
nila,
this one.
guys, mga charm.
Gusto ko dito.
Pakita niyo isa-isa. Oh, wow!
Mira!
Yan.
Can I
Mamimili
pick
lang kayo ng mga ballpen, keychain, mga bag tags, may mga bracelets din sila.
wow.
Ang dami!
Mine!
Mamaya na to ha. Lagay niyo muna
Ano
doon.
ito?
Ano yan? Ay, si Oli!
Ay!
Ito si Oli!
Oh, that's mine?
Daddy
Wait, can I
Ad.
see? Can I see?
May mga ganito. Bag tag.
Ay, Oli!
O, diba? Ay, ang cute!
Ay!
Ay, si Oli din to! Walang cute! Salamat! Ay, ito. Ay, cute, Oli! That's you!
Ang dami!
It's you, Oli! So many. Ano mo muna ate? Lagay mo dito, pipicturean ko. Ano, ang cute! Tapos si Oli nandoon din, oh.
Can I see it?
Ayan. Thank you! Okay, next. Nagkagulo kami doon.
I think that was your favorite.
From Summer, Storm, and Sky.
Oh, okay.
Ganda naman ang pangalan.
Summer Storm Sky. Woo! Tapos pag nag-isa pa, winter.
Wow!
Wow! So cute! Habayanas. So cute, oh.
Ba?
Sleeper. It's a sleeper Habayanas. Ang cute. Hello Kitty. Tignan nga natin. Malaki pa konti. Ay, halos cushion. Ang cute! Ayan o. Oli.
This one
Cute.
next.
Ala, makapaglakad ka kaya nito na hindi natatanggal. Practicein mo. Say thank you.
This one.
Okay, next.
It's Prince and Faith.
Prince and Fate. Let's open it.
Oli, open it. Wait, I'm gonna get something.
Nanay mo pagod na. Nag-concert nga kasi ako kayo. Yung outfit ko pang concert.
Nabigla
That's
yung...
another Frozen.
Open it.
Hey, thank you.
Another Frozen.
Yeah. You like it? Oh, next. Tita Casey, Tito Bren, and Celestine. Let's open it. Open. Okay, you open. Dami mong toy, Oli. Kailangan na talaga natin maayos yung playroom. Kapag na-renovate, mas lalaki yung playroom niya.
Wow, another Gabby Dollhouse.
Gabby Dollhouse.
Hindi, only two.
Makukumpleto mo na. Favorite niya kasi si Gabby Dollhouse din. Makukumpleto mo na, Oli. Ninang Maan and Kuya Jaden. Happy 3rd birthday, Oli. Come here. Let's open it. Are you ready?
Wow, ang dami.
Ang dami naman yun.
I thought it's gonna be clothes only.
Ang dami. Wow.
I will help you again.
Look, a coloring book. What else?
Ang dami arts.
Oh,
She
pencil.
doesn't know how to color.
Oh, so sa kayo na mapupunta? Mga stickers.
Another one.
Wow. parang paint-paint.
Then, ang na-excite.
Wow, may ring pa, Oli, look.
Wow.
Are you happy?
I
And
recognize
clothes. Uniqlo.
Chikawa.
Wow, it's big pa.
Oo nga, no,
Is this
ikaw.
blanket or towel?
Sino yun?
Blanket or
Sila
Ay, ang
na din eh.
cute.
Chikawa.
Sanrio na towel. Thank you po.
Talaga blanket.
Look, Oli. Wow.
Sorry.
Okay, next.
From Calix.
Oh, kung Kuya Calix.
Open.
Pagod na siya mag-open. Sabi, madami pa ba? Parang
Oh.
Oli and Mommy nga daw
Ay,
eh.
bakit na ito? Parang
What's that?
Ano yan?
Hindi niya mabuksan. It's a clay. Another one.
They
Open
have some.
another one. This one, open.
play din, no?
Another clay. Wow. Another one. Look, guys.
Ang dami. Ay.
Ang dami mo nakabayanan. Wow. Ito, matatago muna natin ito. Malaki-laki pa. Another sleeper. Say thank you po.
Ay, wala.
From Tita J.
Ann. Tita J. Ann.
Here you go. Jamming ko.
This is
Gabis dalos. Yung totoo na kumpleto mo na talaga.
Ay, yeah.
Parang isang tao lang bumili nito ha.
This is the biggest one I ever seen.
Let's open it. Look, look.
It's
Wow!
It's Mercat.
Are you happy? Guys, another dollhouse. Next is...
this one.
Ang laki, Oli.
From Tita Elaine, Tita
Tita Elaine, Tito Ivo.
Robin, Monica Chu.
Wow.
Open,
Let's
I will help you.
open it.
I will help. She needs help. Ay! Ano yan?
Wow! Yung dami.
Tape!
Mga instruments. Kuyang bongga naman na ito.
Ah!
May music. Wow!
Ay! Can I have one?
Music bandstand. Di ko alam yung pero wow! Ang galing mo pang 12 years. Open natin ito mamaya. Ano ni Daddy. Pero instrument siya, guys. Open natin. Kasi mahilig si Oli sa mga instruments. I-set up muna ni Daddy. Yan. Bigyan natin ang trabaho si Daddy ng marami.
From Charlie.
Tali? Tali, lingling, sari-sam. Ano sari-sari? Tali, lingling,
Sari-sari store.
Ah! Ito yung ito yung sa ano ni Maan. Ate ni Maan. Wow!
bag.
Ano ng mga stuff toy. Wow, Smigel. Oh, Lilo. So pretty.
I remember Smigel.
Wow, you have bag, Smigel. Pag nag-school ka, lapit na mag-school. Ayan, oh, may envelope ka na, oh. Ito yan, oh. Diba?
Say yes.
Okay, next. Ito pa pala. Tsaka yan, hinabol ni Monique. Laki. Ah! Mawawalay na naman yung mga regalo namin. From Kuya Zian. Wow, Rustans. Let's open it.
You need help?
Sa sobrang daan binuksan, pagod na siya. Nakadol na siya. Tapusin na lang natin to. Are you happy, Oli ko? Wow!
Another
Wow!
Smigel ulit.
Ang cute! Mag-school na talaga siya. Oh, Smigel.
Iyak
na
na yan.
bag. Iyak na yan. Nasar ako ni Ayo. Iyak na yan. Wow, you have so cute Smigel bag. Pag
Yeah.
you want to go to school na?
Ay!
Really? No. You stay here with mommy. You will homeschool. Charot, joke na. Next. Ito, regalo ni Monique. Ang laki. The Gorios. Ayan, from the Gorios family. Thank you so much. So big, right?
Then what is it?
This Oli. Nakagulo na ito.
Box naman!
Okay. This one, Oli. This one. Wow!
Bike yan. Feeling ko bike yan.
What's this?
Bike yan.
Ay, bike yan!
Oh, sabi ko na.
The bike. Ate, you're connected sa bike.
Sabi ko na.
Wow! like it?
Yeah.
Say thank you,
I like
Tita
the box.
Monique. Wow!
I think I can make
Pagpa-practice ka
something
nito. Meron pang isa. Bike naman to. Yung, ano ba tawag sa ganyan?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Parang ginagawa tapos sa ada ng phone.
Ay, ito from Thea and Crader.
Open.
Wow! Makeup set!
Wow! Gusto niya perfect. Okay. Good job, Molly.
Wow,
Maayos.
it's your makeup, Ollie. Makeup.
Wow! So pretty.
Me and Ollie have been playing makeup with our hands and then she finally gets one. I even have,
Vanity
even
Blazer. Say thank you, Tita Mosh. Ay, Ninang pala. Ninang Mosh. Thea and Crader. You will make up na. You have your own mirror na. Tapos ito, meron din. Wait lang. Ayan. Ito, regalo nila China. China Roses. And hindi lang sila nakapunta kasi nasa nasa Thailand sila. Pero yung mga anak nakapunta. China Roses sila, David. Say thank you po. Ang cute dinosaur na bike. Timothy, Sandrea, and baby Sansan.
Daddy, I'm going back.
Oh, 'di ba yung ang nag-enjoy dun sa sa Kayan? Ano ba tawag dun? Parang bike si Louie.
I'm doing the back.
Wow, so pretty. So big bike. Say thank you po. Sakay na siya.
Okay, bye-bye. Sa akin na lang ito.
Oh, mag-open ka pa. Oli, mag-open ka pa. May gift pa kaya
I
kami.
like this.
Oli, open Ate's gift.
Ha? Kinin na ito.
Diba you want Ate's gift? Come on.
Okay.
Oh, let's open Ate's gift. Open. Say thank you, Ate.
You like it?
Yeah. Open. Sa akin pala to.
Mommy's gift.
Ito yung gift ko kay Oli.
Wow.
Can you say wow?
Wow! It's Gabby Dollhouse again. Pero, Lego! Say thank you po.
It's Ate Louie's turn.
Okay, Ate Louie's gift.
Come on.
Go.
Oh.
Are you excited? Come here. Look at my likod.
Wow, it's ice cream. You like it?
Wow!
Ollie, do you like it?
Wow! Can you say wowie?
Wow, you have ice cream. Say thank you, Ate Louie.
You're proud.
Your problem. Your problem. Binigyan mo pa ng problema. Your problem. Let's open. Hindi yan. Ate Ai has 2 gifts.
Wait, what?
You open this first. Yes! See? You can do it.
It's
Makeup!
wow. It's a water pen.
Dalawa na yung ganyan mo, Oli. Na-enjoy niya kasi isang ganyan din. Oh, show them.
Ollie, can you show it to the camera? Okay.
It's nice, right?
Next
Okay,
one.
next. For Ate Ahi also. From Ate Ahi. This one. You open. Hindi niya Hindi niya ma-open.
Ollie, it's a
That.
tent.
It's a tent, Oli. Wow, tent.
Inside.
It's a tent. You wanna open?
Yeah.
Come here.
You like dinosaurs?
Lilipit siya. Open natin.
Open na talaga.
Opo.
I hope.
Malaki.
But it's a tent, Oli eh.
I want to.
Later, we will open dun. Okay, later. Let's open this later.
What is this?
Thank you, Ate.
Mommy's turn.
Say thank you, Ate Ai.
Look, it's Mommy's turn.
This is Mommy's gift.
Look.
Look, there's a card. Let's see. Happy birthday, my silly Oli. Love, Mommy. Nagtatawanan nila yung boses ko. Love, Mommy. Yay! Let's open it. Bukas talaga, di. Wala kayong
Mami
maririnig.
sounds old.
Bukas wala kayong maririnig sa akin.
Literal.
Literal. Mami, miss niyo ako bukas. Di niyo ako mararamdaman bukas.
Wow, Ollie, look, it's
Wow! Ang ganda ng gift ko. Ang ganda. It's a... Ano yan? Hindi ko alam.
Scooter.
It's a scooter na pwedeng bike. Tapos pwede ka namin itulak.
You can
Pang ano
see
kasi
it
to,
on-
1 years old. Ay, 1 years old. 1 to 6 years old. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. Na iiba-iba siya. Pwedeng 1, 2, 3, gano'n.
Ang sobrang
May
kalat
ilaw
yung
din.
Hanggang sa, oo, may ilaw din yung gulong. May LED wheels siya. Ayan. Okay,
Ali.
last but not the least, it's from
a gift.
Daddy! Wow! Let's open it. Wow! What's that? Careful yung stapler.
Ano yan?
What's that? It's a Samsung Galaxy tablet.
I can see. Ah!
My budget.
Inggit yung dalawa.
Nainggit. Ay, nanahimik yung dalawa.
Natahimik.
Galaxy tablet. Wow! It's A9 Plus.
Yours is ano?
You have
More
tablet na, Oli.
expensive.
Kasi daw, ang kwento niyan, para daw hindi mo na gamitin yung cellphone ni Daddy kasi hinahagis-hagis mo yung cellphone niya, delikado, bago pa naman yung cellphone niya.
Kaya parang mas malaki yung screen.
Mas malaki yung screen pag nanonood ka. Hindi yung maliit na kagano'n. Malaki-laki na.
Pero di mo muna ito magagamit hanggat wala.
In order ko pa kasi yung ano niyan, yung, ano tawag yun pa?
Casing.
Casing na pangbata. Para kahit ibato niya, safe pa din.
Ah,
Kami-
ali-ali.
You have
Tapos
tablet?
percentage.
Yay! Are you happy? You have lots of gifts? Say thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. You made me happy. Wow! Happy birthday,
Heart.
Oli. Heart, heart, ganun, heart.
Ito yung gift ni Ollie din.
Oo, memory card. Ganun, Oli, ganun. Say thank you, guys.
Oh, magic.
Oh, you dance na.
Oli, can you
You're
dance?
my soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop. You're my never so hot. Bully up, I won't stop. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop. Chick!
Oh, sana ganyan ka kanina.
Yay! Kanina hindi ka sumayaw, sayang!
Your burrito baby.
I want
No, your burrito baby.
Wow! Say thank you po! Yay! So many! Smile, Loli! Sus, are you happy? Ay, ito yung regalo ni Elaine, oh. Tapos may ganyan pa. May ukulele. And, asan yung flute? Yung kanina yung flute na inaano niya. Yan, oh. Wow. Wow. Uy. Tapos yung gift ni Ate Ai, ito. Yan. Yung tent. Ang dami! Okay na. Oh, paano to? Wala pang battery ata. Paturo ka nito.